So my name's Jake. Obviously, I've come on the course. I've discovered him through Instagram. Obviously, it's always been something that I wanted to get into property, but I was always under the impression that you need like 50 grand to go and do that. Obviously, I've learned this week through the lease options and stuff like that. That's not the case at all. So yeah, been really enjoying it.
And that's the thing you've learned most, would you say?
Yes, that's the game changer for me. I think that was the main takeaway from this. Yeah, so with the lease option, obviously, because obviously the traditional way that you'd think you'd have to go out and acquire any property would be through like I'd put down a big old deposit or something like that. Obviously, with the lease option, you can just approach somebody, maybe a landlord, a tired landlord. Just offer. I know the £1 just a formality, but you can just offer to take over the property and buy it at a later date. This is something that I've never heard before. So.
Great. And what's it been like seeing Samuel in person?
Oh, brilliant! His energy, the energy he brings in the room, obviously just gets everyone fired up. It's great.
And the mentors as well, the team.
Great, brilliant. I've sat down with Jeremy today because obviously I'm in the construction industry. Have been since I left school. So the big thing for me is obviously eventually down the line is the development and the refurbishment side of things. He said he's been there, done that. I can learn from his mistakes, so I don't have to make them myself. And yeah, it's just great environment.
What's it like seeing deals being made in the room on the spot?
Yeah, brilliant, exciting, really exciting. Yeah.
And what would you say to someone looking to get into property?
Just do it. If you've got that itch and you want to do it, just come. You will not be disappointed.